Today our instruction book pages are going to be 290 and 291. They are required, so you will have to turn these pages in whichever way you choose. Marco, Javier, and Jim are going to a party. Marco brings 1.5 liters of lemonade, Javier brings a 2-liter bottle of lemonade, and Jim brings 450 milliliters of lemonade. How many milliliters of lemonade will the boys bring to the party in all? Okay, so here are some pictures for you, some sizes of who would have brought more and what it would have looked like. So, they went ahead and modeled this for you, how you can convert. If we remember from last week, 1 liter was equal to 1,000 milliliters. Okay? So that means half of a milliliter is only 500. So they went ahead and converted 1,000 plus 500 was 1,500. 2 liters, 2 times 1,000 is 200. And 450 milliliters is just 450 milliliters. They don't need to change, right? Because they already have that unit. So let's go ahead and see if we can answer some questions. Number 7. Use the amounts given to in the problem to write an equation that shows the total amount of lemonade, T, the boys bring to the party. So when I see equation sounds kind of like equal. Equation, equal. Equations have to have an equal sign. So what it's saying is, how would I solve this problem with an equal sign? So remember, we have to add all the lemonade in all. So we need to add all 3 of these numbers. So 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 450 equals, and they gave us the letter to use, T. What units are included in the equation? Which measurements will you convert so that all use the same unit? So we already did that. We went ahead a step ahead. So units, the units we are using are milliliters. I'm just going to abbreviate ml. Okay, we need all units, so all units need to be I'm going to abbreviate again milliliters because we have to have the same unit to compare. Show how to find how many milliliters are in 1 1/2 liter. So remember, we said that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So 1/2 of a liter is equal to half of 1,000, which would be 500 milliliters. So when we add those two together, we get 1,500 milliliters. Show how to find how many milliliters are in 2 liters. So if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, then we need to take 2 times 1,000 to find out how many are in 2 liters. 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. What is the total amount of lemonade the 3 boys brought to the party? Explain how you got your answer. So let's do the math. We have 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 450 is equal to all of this. So I like to add vertically. So I'm going to add 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 450. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So our total is 3,950 milliliters.